Imagine you have a huge library of books. Instead of carrying the books around, you just write down its shelf location on a sticky note. That sticky note, that exactly is what a pointer is in C. Today we are going to master pointers, and I promise it's way simpler than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeChef. By the end of this video, you will understand pointer declaration and pointer arithmetic, two fundamental concepts that make C so powerful. Let's jump right in.
Declaration of pointers. So what exactly is a pointer? In C, a pointer is a special variable that stores a memory address. Think of your computer's memory like a massive apartment building. Each apartment has a unique number. That's the memory address. A pointer is like writing down that apartment number so you can find it later. Just like we declare regular variables, int x is used to store an integer and char c to store a character. We can declare pointers to store the address of these variables. The syntax is int asterisk pointer. Now here the int tells the pointer will point to an integer variable. The asterisk is crucial. It says this is a pointer, not a regular variable. Now this part pointer, this is just the name we choose for our pointer. Now to actually make the pointer store an address, we use the ampersand operator. So int x is equal to 10 and int pointer is equals to ampersand x. The ampersand x means give me the address of x. So now pointer is holding the address of where x lives in memory. Pointer arithmetic. Now we know how to declare pointers. Let's talk about pointer arithmetic. This is where pointers become super powerful, especially when working with arrays. Since pointers store memory addresses, we can perform math operations on them to navigate through memory. This is incredibly useful when you're working with collections of data. Operation 1. Incrementing a pointer. When you increment a pointer, it just doesn't add 1 to the address. It moves to the next element of that data type. Now let's look at an example. Here in line 4, you can see that we create an array with 4 integers. Line 5, here, pointer points to the first element, that is array 0. Line 7, pointer gives the value at current position, outputs 10. And in this line, pointer plus plus moves the pointer to the next integer, that is array 1. This line shows that now pointer gives us 20. Now when we run this, you get the output of first element is 10 and second element is 20. The pointer moved forward by one element. Operation 2. Decrementing a pointer. Just like incrementing, we can also move backwards. Here is an example. In this line, we can see array plus 2 means start at the third element, which is index 2, which is 30. Now this line prints current position, outputs 30. This line moves back to array 1. And this line prints the new position, which gives us output 20. When we run it, the output is current element 30 and previous element is 20. Now the third operation is addition subtraction operation. You can jump multiple elements at once. Here, pointer starts at array 0. The value is 10. Here, pointer plus 2 moves pointer forward by 2 positions to array 2. Pointer now gives us 30. This line, pointer minus 1 means go back one position and get the value. Outputs 20. Now let's try running this. As expected, the element at pointer is 30 and one element back gives us 20. Operation 4. Pointer difference. You can find how many elements are between two pointers. Now let's look at an example. Pointer 1 points to the first element, that is index 0, and pointer 2 points to the fourth element, which is index 3. In this line calculates how many elements apart they are. The difference is 3 from index 0 to index 3, and this line will print it. Let's run it. Difference is 3 elements. Now let's put everything together in one practical example. We started with our standard input-output library and our main function. These lines here, we create an array of 5 test scores and a pointer to the first element. Now here we demonstrate pointer declaration by printing the first score and its address. Here we use pointer plus plus to increment through the first 3 scores, printing each one. And then we use pointer minus minus to move back one position. We calculate the total number of scores using pointer subtraction and print the total number of scores. Here you can see that our required output is achieved. See how we navigated through the entire array using just pointer operations? This is the power of pointers.
Head over to CodeChef's online compiler right now. The link is in the description. Try this challenge. Create an array of your favorite numbers, use a pointer to traverse through it, and print each value. Then try jumping in the middle element using pointer arithmetic. Don't just watch, code it. I'll see you in part 2. Happy coding!